Namaskar. In last class, we had discussed about 8-step chakkars. In this class, we will discuss about 5-step chakkars and 4-step chakkars. Five-step chakkars. The bowl is dig dha dig dig thay. On the spot, turn with 5 steps. Keep looking at a spot in front of you. So let's start. So starting from the V position, dig dha dig dig hey. Using the Vyapti Hastaks with the 5 steps, dig dha dig dig hey. Dig dha dig dig hey. Now once again, dig dha dig dig hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is so simple. Just flat frets. You can use dig dha dig dig thay. In another section, as in here, we are using just dig dha dig dig thay. Flat, 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 flat. If you have any query or doubt in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. 4 steps chakkars. The bowl is dig dha dig dig. Here, mind that although your body is turning, but your focus is always on the spot. You are starting from here. The head comes first, then your body. So, the steps are 1, right steps first, then 2, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Dig, dha, dig, dig. Again, dig, dha, dig, dig. Dig, dha, dig, dig. Dig, dha, dig, dig. If you have any query or doubt in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. Hope you enjoyed today's class. I will be uploading a new tutorial every Sunday. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. For detailed online and offline classes, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. So, stay connected, stay safe, and keep learning happy dancing.